Yeah, welcome to Marbella, where the sun hot and apparently the women are hotter.
I don't know about that. I'm here for the sailing and the food.
Miércoles a jueves, porque el fin de semana tú eres pa' mí. Yeah, es que tú eres mi bebé. Yeah, yeah, hoy echamos como tres. Ay, qué rico lo huele.
Sun is up. Okay, that's my instructions to put it in gear and get out of here. Keep it slow. Well, there we are. Goodbye, Marbella. Say good morning, Tony. I said say good morning. What are you doing? People want to know.
Deckhand today.
Your dickhand. So we left Marbella 2 hours ago. This is Mias. We're just passing Mias right now. And then I think we've got Torremolinos, is it? I think next one round. And then Benamadla. Actually no, it's Fingarola first, I think. Then Torremolinos, then Benamadla, and then Malaga. And we're going to see how we get on today. I think we're hoping to get past Malaga. There's dolphins that have just cropped up all of a sudden as I'm filming. Decided to come and play with us. In fact, there's quite a few here. They're literally a mile and a half off the coast in about 20-25 metres, but you can see them all flying by. They've decided they don't want to stop and play. There is absolutely no wind whatsoever. The seas are dead calm. It's quite warm, although there is a bit of cloud out. I'm having to watch the fishing pots. There are a few fishing pots, crabster pot, lobster pots, that sort of stuff. So there is Mias with dolphins in the background. How cool is that? We haven't seen dolphins for just over a week, so quite strange that all of a sudden I got the camera out and they decided to come flying by. So we're going to be running this course for a total of about 8 hours. See where we end up getting, and then we're going to stay on anchor somewhere, probably around the Malaga area if we can get as far as Malaga, although I think that's going to be a bit of a push today, but we'll see. Okay. This is the coastline of Fuengirola. The sun is coming out and it is hot. We still have no wind. Seas are calm. It's very nice. My last video, you've probably seen all the dolphins jumping by. This time not so lucky. Wow, it is hot. And Tony is cooking brunch. Fried egg, bacon roll. A little bit of salad and a nice cup of coffee. Sounds good to me. We are now passing Benalmadena, or I think Benamadla as some people pronounce it. And the marina is just there. And somewhere there is the cable cart ride. And you can get a cable cart right to the very, very top, and it's a really nice view to look down. Last time I was here was I think about 2000 and I can't remember now, 2006, 7, something like that, maybe 8. And there was hundreds of cranes here, all building you know, new houses, flats, apartments. But due to the recession in that kind of year, everything had shut down and it was just building sites everywhere abandoned. The cranes have all gone, so I'm sure they've finished all the projects around here in terms of all the building work that was going on. And you can also occasionally see the planes flying out from just over here, which is Malaga, I believe Malaga Airport. And in the background I think is probably still Fuengirola. Still hot and calm. A few lobster pots to watch out for, a couple just here. We've got rather a large dolphin playing around here. He keeps popping up and going back down again. Water is absolutely turquoise blue. There he is, way. We are slowly but surely working our way up the Spanish coast. It's about 7 o'clock. The sun is still very, very hot. Seas are still nice and calm. Some beautiful little bays. It's some lovely little villas and stuff on these cliff edges. And we're thinking of mooring up in here, just around this this rock. There's a marina, and we're gonna have a look at the breakwater and maybe more, or just anchor up basically, just throw the anchor out, or we may continue for another hour or so. But beautiful. Not many boats out today. I've seen very few. And that includes fishing boats. Have a sailboat over there. No wind, hasn't been all day. We did have the Janara up for 3 hours. But there's been just no wind. Same tomorrow, no wind, so we've just got one engine on. Just purring away at 6 knots. And that's now the bay that's starting to open up that we're thinking of going in. So not that bay, but that one just in there. And right tucked up over in the corner, there's a marina mainly for fishing boats and pleasure boats, but not so much sailboats. Or at least looking on Google Earth, it just looks like a fishing village and stuff like that. But there's hardly any wind, so we don't really need much protection except for these ground swells that are coming in. You can't see them on there, but they're about a metre, just bobbling up and down. So we're going to turn around, I think, and go in now, or carry on. Let's see what Tony wants to do. It's a beautiful night, so maybe we will just carry on. Who knows? It's just gone 8 o'clock and we are coming in to anchor at El Varadero near Motril. It's a little bit industrial on the right hand side, but a fairly nice beach here on the left hand side with quite a few people still out. Sun's going to go down in the next 3/4 of an hour or so. It's very calm, and there is one boat just here coming out off of the beach, and we're going to anchor up just here somewhere. Okay. So we've got a couple of dolphins flipping up and down here. Let's see if we can get them on film for you. There you go, they're just there now, look. Just there. 2 of them. Oh no, it's 3. Actually, I think there might be 4. Yep. Well, there you go. That was it. Just now they were jumping out of the water. So we found this little anchorage for the night. It's 15 miles south of Malacca. It's gorgeous. And this is the boat. Virtual cliff face, and most of it. And then you get to this little green oasis.
Fly so high, I'm hypnotized. What's up is down, what's left is right. Chasing stars and holding you. I can't see the end, but we'll see it through.
Really nice beach. Beautiful. I should have called it Flat Top Mountain, because it's only part round here, it's got flat top to it.
We're smiling on top of the
That's beautiful.
world. Dangerous times, don't fly too high. Be sure to keep the ground in sight.
This is Malacca, and Garrucha is just down there.
Love the world, but keep the sky on your mind.
Lovely beach. Really nice promenade, right the way across the front virtually. Almost down to this area.
We're smiling on top of the
Waters are nice and blue. You just pop the Genoa out just to get a tiny little bit more speed, but there's very little wind, so it's dead downwind as well. Malacca.